Hello, this is going to be a real short tutorial on how to use an add-on for Google Sheets called Twitter Archiver. Now, of course, everybody's on the Twitters now. People, companies, organizations, even our president uses the Twitterverse to communicate with the world. One little problem with it, however, is Twitter's really hard to search if you want to get your information back in some type of an organized manner. The Twitter website, you can't do it very well. There aren't any apps that do that very well. This add-on, however, does it really well. And I'll show you how to use it. First, click on add-ons in the toolbar and get add-ons. We'll search by name. So Twitter Archiver. Sorry, I'm not a better typist. There it is, Twitter Archiver or Tweet Archiver. Seems like there's a name question, but we'll not let that bother me. Click install, get ready. Well, yeah, I already clicked install. Next page is going to check and see. Yes, it is me. Now let's see what's, oh, it's this page. Okay. They want firstborn male child. I will allow that. And now for just a moment or two, we get to watch the Google circle spin. You'd think I'd edit that out, wouldn't you? But no. Okay, Tweet Archiver has been installed. Done. Great. Okay, close that. And now I will show you one thing you have to do here. You should be able to just go ahead and start using it. But there's a little quirk that sometimes doesn't let you do that. So you go back to your Sheets homepage and then open up that spreadsheet again. And now it'll work like a charm. So add on. Okay. There it is. Tweet Archiver. And now we're going to create a rule. We'll open up. There's plenty of fields here. You can search by words, exact phrase, any of these words, none of these words. Hashtags like hashtag me too, although boy, that'd get you back a bunch of responses in one spreadsheet. Let's see, what should we do? We will search for all the tweets from real Donald Trump. So we'll search for all the tweets uploaded from that account. And it's searching. It does not take a terribly long time because it only goes back, it'll go back maybe around a week or so, a few days more, a few days less, depending upon what you're searching. This isn't going to go back forever. However, once we have it set up, it will keep going forever and collecting them as time goes on in the background without having to do a thing on your part. So no, maybe later. And there's our rules. Excellent. Good to see. Now we go down here and click on the proper sheet, and there are our results. Tweet by date, screen name, all the same. Of course, we were searching for that. And the text tells you the tweet ID, if there's any links involved. On here, it'll also show you if there's metadata in the tweet, it'll show you exactly where it came from on a map on Google Maps. Now, I doubt this one will. Nope, you're on location, just Washington, D.C. It's not going to tell you exactly where the president was, but that's how it works. How many did this catch? There are 127 tweets. And from now on, every hour on the hour, it's going to check for new ones and automatically add them to this spreadsheet for me. And that is Twitter Archiver. Enjoy. Uh-oh, having trouble. Oh my gosh, having trouble clicking the end and done.